Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the Awesome Oscillator, comparing it with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. Okay, so we're going to start by adding both indicators to the chart. Okay, here we go. All right, so the Awesome Oscillator, okay, it seems like the MACD did not add. Okay, so the Awesome Oscillator and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence are both momentum indicators based on moving averages, but they present their signals differently. Okay, the Awesome Oscillator measures the difference between two simple moving averages calculated from the median price. It is displayed as a histogram that moves above and below a central zero line, as you can see, right? Traders often use it to observe momentum changes. You will notice that the green bars show bullish momentum, and then when it switches to the red bars, it shows a change in momentum to bearish. All right, when the histogram bars are switching below the zero level, it's still a bearish trend indicated by the indicator, just that the green below zero might just mean a pullback within a bearish move, right? While a red above the zero level might just mean a pullback within a bullish move. Okay, the MACD is also based on moving averages but uses exponential moving averages instead. It consists of the MACD line and the signal line. Also, it has the histogram that represents the difference between the two lines. Okay, so traders often watch for crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line. You can see when that bullish crossover happens and the appearance of green histogram bars, it shows bullish momentum. When the bearish crossover happens and the appearance of the red histogram bars, it shows bearish momentum. Okay, so traders often watch for crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line as potential indicators of momentum changes. In comparison, the Awesome Oscillator focuses on momentum relative to simple moving averages, while the MACD provides a more structured system that combines trend following and momentum analysis. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.